Hi, I'm LaDonna Belcher with Time to Party, and I have a piece of equipment I'd like to share with you today. It is the Coolaire 4 inflator, and it's made by Premium. It is such a nice machine, and it's very lightweight. And that was really a surprise to me. I expected it to be heavy. It's a great machine for doing balloon drops, bulk balloons, 20,000 balloons. It doesn't get tired. It has that same cool air process that all of their machines do. And what else is unique is on the side, it has a button that allows you to increase the pressure. So if you're blowing smaller balloons, you can make it a little stronger. If you want bigger balloons, you could do that. They've also even come up with these little caps. Let me show you. See how it doesn't have an opening? That's so if you're working by yourself and you just want to have one, you only have one. So you don't have all this air blowing the balloons in the room, blowing your hair back, you know. So it's just a great tool, and I love it. I hope you'll try it.